Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we discuss about vocabulary, particularly subject-verb agreement. So today, we will discuss about not rule number 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but rule number 5 of subject-verb agreement. So this discussion, we will differentiate the treatment of the two conjunctions and or nor. So we will divide it into two parts so we can understand it clearly on what it is used and what verb we will use if it is singular or plural. Okay, so first, let's have an example about subjects that join by N. So example number 1, mom and dad. So first, what is subjects? The subjects in here are the mom and dad. So subjects are the one that are being described by the predicate. So in my examples, I just showed the subjects so we can be clear about how they are written in terms of arrangement. So here in the example number 2, my brother and sister. So again, it is joined by the conjunction and. So meaning, my brother and sister. So since they are joined by the conjunction and, it is the meaning of that is my brother and my sister. So they are both at the same subject. So again, for the example number 3, my friend and my teacher. Again, it is joined by the conjunction and. So Tom and Jerry. So both Tom and Jerry, and the cat and the dog. So next up, we will discuss about the subjects that join by N are plural. So as I've discussed before, it is about the subjects. In here, I will include about the predicate. So predicate are the group of words that describe the subject. So mom and dad is followed by are going to my school. So look at the subject. So the subject in this sentence is mom and dad. So it is followed by the linking verb are, which is plural because the rule is that subjects joined by N are plural. So it is treated as a plural verb. So for the example number 2, my brother and sister go, again a plural verb, to the same school. So again, the rule is that subject joined by N are plural. Look at the example number 3. My friend and my teacher are, again a plural verb, visiting my sick mother. So last example is Tom and Jerry, again are best friends. So simply, in the first half of our topic, subjects joined by N, any form of, again, in this there are two subjects, this one and this one. So even if, example, this part is plural and the first part is singular, you will use plural verb because it is not concerned with the arrangement of the nouns. It is concerned by the conjunction and. So the next half of our discussion is about the subjects joined by or nor. So here are the examples of the subjects that are joined by or nor. So my uncle or my aunt, my friends or his friends, win or lose, neither my siblings nor Ivan, neither Heidi nor his friends. So as you can observe in these examples, the first example is singular joined by the conjunction or, and again connecting to the singular noun my aunt. And example number 2, plural noun, again joined by the conjunction or, followed by a plural noun my friends. So in this example, as you can see, it is joined by conjunction or. And in this, the first subject is plural and the second subject is noun. So later on, we will know about the differences on its treatment. So here is the rule. Subjects joined by or nor take a verb that agrees with the last subject. So in my first example, James or Johnson is going to attend my party. So as you can see, it is joined by the conjunction or, and there are two subjects, James and Johnson. So Johnson is the closest through the verb. So Johnson, which is singular, will take the verb. So Johnson is singular, so it will take up singular verb, which is. So in this example, both subjects are plural, my friends or his friends. So exactly, obviously, you will join it via to plural verb, which is are. So my friends or his friends are joining me in the seminar. So example number 3. Look in example number 3, that the first subject is singular and the second subject is plural. So again, you will consider the last noun or the closest to the verb. So his sons is plural, so you will use a plural verb. So for the last sentence, neither my siblings nor my father give me the key. So the closest to the verb give is the my father, which is singular. So you will not consider this noun because it is the first subject and the second subject is the closest to the verb. So my father is singular, so you will actually this is give. So my father gives me the key. So thank you for listening and have a nice day. Thank you.